Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see few questions based on speed for year 6 students. If you want me to make the video on any other topic, please let me know in the comment section. Let's get started. Average speed. Hussein took 8 minutes to cycle from her home to the mall. This is your home and this is the mall. She took 8 minutes to cycle from home to the mall. She cycled at an average speed of 250 meter per minute. So the speed is 250 meter per minute. On her way home, she cycled along the same route at an average speed of 200 meter per minute. So from the mall to the home, she is returning back. She cycled with a speed of 200 meter per minute. How long did she take to cycle from the mall to her home? So from the mall to her home, how much time she is taking, we need to calculate that. While she is traveling from home to the mall, the speed is 250 meter per minute. Time taken is 8 minutes. We need to calculate the distance. Distance is given as speed multiplied by time. Let's multiply this answer here. 250 times 8 is written as 25 times 8 is 200 and 10 here. Meter is your distance covered from home to the mall, or you can say that your distance is 2 kilometers. While she is returning back from mall to the home, the speed is 200 meter per minute and the distance is 2 kilometers because the distance remains the same from home to the mall as well as from mall to the home. So the distance is 2000 meters. Speed is 200 meter per minute. I need to calculate the time. Time is given as distance over speed. Let's write down here distance. Distance is 2000 over speed is 200. Let's cancel 2 zeros with 2 zeros. This will be written as 20 over 2, which is equals to 10. The time taken is 10 minutes from mall to the home. That will be your answer of this question. Let's see the second question here. At noon, Henry and Tom traveled in opposite directions from town A. This is your town A here and they are traveling in the opposite directions. Henry drove at a constant speed of 55 km per hour. Henry is traveling at a speed of 55 km per hour. And Tom cycles at a constant speed of 23 km per hour. And Tom is cycling at a speed of 23 km per hour. How far apart were they after 2 hours? I need to calculate that how much is the distance between Henry and Tom after 2 hours. 2 hours, Henry is also traveling with a speed of 55 km per hour. Tom is also traveling for 2 hours with the speed of 23 km per hour. Let's calculate the distance separately covered by Henry and Tom here. Distance covered by Henry in 2 hours with the speed of 55 kilometers per hour. Distance will be written as speed multiplied by time. So the speed is 55 kilometer per hour multiplied by the time is 2 hours, which will be written as 110 kilometer. You need to be careful that the units should be the same. Distance covered by the Tom is again speed multiplied by the time. Speed is 23 km per hour multiplied by 2 hour. This will be written as 46 km. The distance between both of them will be the addition of 110 km and 46 kilometers. We will add it. My answer will be written as 156 kilometers. This shows you that after 2 hours, they are 156 kilometers apart from each other. Let's see the second part here. Second part shows us that after how many minutes were they 39 kilometers apart. The distance between both of them is 39 kilometers. They are traveling with the different speeds. I need to calculate the time. Time when the distance between both of them is 39 kilometers. When the person is traveling in the opposite directions, we have to calculate the relative speed. Relative speed will be written as the addition of 55 plus 23. You need to add the speeds of both the persons to get the relative speed. Relative speed will be written as 55 plus 23. If you add it, your answer will be equal to 78 kilometer per hour. That is the relative speed between both of them. Distance is 39 kilometers. I need to calculate the time. Time will be written as distance over speed. The distance is 39 kilometers and the speed is 78 kilometer per hour, and the time is written as 39 over 78 hour. I need to convert this into the minutes. I have to multiply this with 60 to get the answer in minutes here, because in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. I need to multiply this answer. Let's cancel the terms here. 2 3s are 6, 0. 2 3s are 6, 1. 2 9s are 18. 39 got cancelled from here. My answer will be written as 30 minutes. When they are 39 kilometers apart from each other, the time taken is 30 minutes. That will be your answer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.